basically is the converse of 9.1. When we use the word converse in this class, what did it mean?
The opposite.
It's the opposite, that's right. And so we had basically 4, maybe 5 truths that we learned yesterday. All right, somebody give me one about parallelograms. So from notes yesterday, go ahead, Alexis. Opposite sides are congruent. She also gave me another one. Opposite angles are congruent. Okay, good. There's 2. Let's go somewhere else. Austin, give me one.
That the angles are consecutive, so like 1 and 2 consecutive angles.
Okay, what do we know about consecutive angles?
That they're congruent.
They are not congruent. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Consecutive angles are supplementary. There's 3. What else we have? Kyle, can you think of one we haven't said yet?
Diagonals bisect each other.
Very good. Diagonals bisect each other. There's probably maybe just one more that we haven't said yet. We said opposite sides are congruent, opposite angles are congruent, consecutive angles are supplementary, diagonals bisect each other. Think of the name. By the name, what haven't we said?
The opposite sides are parallel.
That's right, opposite sides are parallel. We're going to have quadrilaterals and figures that they are not parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. All right, so this is kind of a quick summary of 9.1. Right? Well, 9.2 works on the converse of those. In other words, it says this. If ... opposite sides are congruent, then it is a parallelogram. Okay, so let me see if you guys can see that. See how I have it set up? So we're just going in the other direction. If opposite sides are congruent, then it is a parallelogram. Does that make sense? Yesterday we went one way, today we're going the other direction. So number 2 then would be if opposite angles are congruent, then it is a parallelogram. If consecutive angles are supplementary, then it is a parallelogram. If the diagonals bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. And if opposite sides are parallel, then it is a parallelogram. So all 5 things that we said yesterday that were characteristics of parallelograms are also true in the other direction. That if any of those 5, now it doesn't take all of them, it just takes one of them. If any of those 5 things right there happen to be true, then we can conclude that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Does that make sense? Okay, well, there's a lot of proofs. We're not gonna spend, like I said, we're gonna try and steer clear of a lot of proofs. I know we had one on the homework last night. But let's take a look at homework for this section. There's not many problems to do.
Okay, so since you're giving homework over break, you gotta have a heads up that I might forget about it. Just saying.
That's my fault.
We're trying to teach you to homework over break. Yeah.
Only the good ones. All right, here we go. What's this, section 92?
92.
I bet if you guys are diligent today, throughout the day,
Yeah.
you can get it done. I
You know
bet.
how many tests we have today?
How many do you
That
have?
sucks.
Like, how many tests?
Because I don't know. We don't have one here.
Almost every class.
Oh, now we clarify our answer.
She said almost every class earlier.
No, she said every class.
No, I said like.
Got it on video. We'll go back to it.
Okay.
Page
I
441.
said like every class.
I don't have A's.
Oh my God.
Welcome, Lex.
Yeah, that's good enough for now. Page 441, 5 through 12. Then you might even get it done in the next 7 minutes. That's it. Thank you, Josh.